Hey people, it's Glenn, and I am back at it with my Black Cat custom figure on the right here. As much as I slam Hasbro and praise Toy Biz, Toy Biz did produce some very weak figures, and Black Cat, figure on the left here, is a prime example of that, taking one of Marvel's sexiest women and making her how do I say, I guess just plain dog ugly, really. In customizing my Black Cat, I just wanted to sex her up a bit and make her a figure that would turn Spider-Man's head. Okay, here's a closer comparison of the two figures for you. My custom figure uses a wasp as a base figure, and the head is a cast from a mold I took of a Shanna figure from the Savage Land box set, and it's a head that I've become to use more recently. I think it's just a very nice, pretty looking face by Black Cat. It's something Hasbro have done better than Toy Biz actually more recently. Their female faces are actually pretty decent. They do make the features quite petite and demure. I'll just set Black Cat back up there and bring in Wasp. You can obviously see here some of the sculpting that I've done, helping Black Cat out with her assets. So I did keep the Black Cat's hair. At first I wasn't too keen on the hair, but actually once it's painted, some washes and dry brushing really does do this hair, the sculpting of it, a lot of justice. That's Black Cat. I have done a separate ACBA video of Black Cat with her kicking some Spidey ass, so be sure to check that out. And also, new customizer on YouTube, Warwick. Be sure to check out his channel. The guy is incredible, and in my opinion, the most creative customizer out there right now. So be sure to check out his channel and sub him like mad. Okay, laters people. Bye.